AKH Knitting and Dyeing Ltd, AKDL, a prime destination for composite knit apparel from Bangladesh. It has a modern water treatment plant to reduce the hardness of underground water it intakes through its deep tube wells to ensure best practice for fabric dyeing. AKDL is in the process of utilizing surface water, like river water and rainwater, in its dyeing process. It has a 5.5 megawatt captive power backup facility to ensure uninterrupted power supply to all of the operations. The facility is comprised of gas generators, diesel generators and solar power system. AKDL has a 200 cubic meter an hour capacity biological effluent treatment plant. It has taken up Greenpeace detox campaign aiming at toxic-free clean water by 2020 by eliminating all releases of hazardous chemicals into the environment. AKDL has adopted PACT, led by the International Finance Corporation, IFC, to focus reduction of resource consumption and pollution through wastewater. AKDL is also into the HIG Index, a sustainability assessment protocol of Sustainable Apparel Coalition, SAC, to make meaningful improvements in supporting well-being of its workers, local community and the environment. For being more eco-sustainable, AKDL uses exhaust gas boilers and economizer. It is producing extra steam, recovering and reusing gas generators' exhaust heat while releasing considerably less heat and carbon emission to the atmosphere. Besides, highly capable merchandising units and height of professional excellence at pre-production preparations solidify the smoothest headway towards the total quality and speed in producing. In knit category, however, AKDL produces all types of men's, ladies and children's polo, tees, pajama and baby wears of premium quality in both fashion and casual categories. In fact, AKDL is capable of producing any type of knitwear, fleece and sportswear in regular, fashion or fancy category, whatever the international market may look for. Using the world's latest and most dependable European brand machinery like Mare and C, Origio and Bigoni, etc., AKDL produces all the knit fabrics it needs to meet its export demand. AKDL is excellent in producing jersey and fleece engineering stripe, functional fabrics for sportswear with any variety like cotton, polyester, viscose, modal, tencel, bamboo, etc. Its knitting capacity is 30 tons per day. Starting from an auto-dispensing unit for distributing chemical and dye stuff in perfect quantities to the dye house, AKDL has got state-of-the-art technology, experience and expertise to ensure a clone-like uniformity and perfection in knit dyeing. It is capable to dye all sorts of fabrics. All of its dyeing machines are from European origin. Apart from regular fabric categories, AKDL can process fabrics with different finishes suitable for activewear and sportswear. It has sophisticated modern machines to do fabric brushing and peaching. AKDL has world-famous Bruckner and Montfort's stentering machines for heat setting on stretch fabrics and other delicate fabrics to ensure fabric stability, shrinkage and overall GSM level. It has intelligent digital fabric inspection machines to analyze color shade consistency and to do fault mapping of every single row. AKDL has high-tech fabric relaxation machines to provide optimum handling and utilization of tension-sensitive fabric in the quickest of time. Its dyeing capacity at present is about 30 tons per day. To ensure quality in dyeing it seeks to maintain all along, AKDL has got top-of-the-line laboratory facility having wash test, pilling test, color fastness test, shrinkage test, color fastness to light test and many other most contemporary and highly sophisticated lab testing facilities. Here, the shade of every lot of finished fabrics is verified with data color and brand color matching machines. For augmenting its apparel further as per the buyer's desire, AKDL uses Japanese Tajima machines for embroidering. AKDL has a large printing house with capability to emulate any contemporary printing techniques involving different print varieties in multiple shapes and colors. It is equipped with automatic printing machines having robotic arms to do motif prints like pigment, rubber, high density or puff prints, along with intricate flock and foil printing. AKDL has high-yielding CMYK printing machine to do digital prints. Apart from these diverse placement prints, AKDL has invested hugely on sublimation printing to meet present-day demands from customer. AKDL's printing capacity at present is 80,000